Good afternoon, good evening, good night, good morning, wherever you guys are. We are on our way to Archie. Now basically everyone knows about how our apprentice Cam, we were saying if he's not a third year, if he's not drifting by the time he's a third year, he's getting the L sack. So pressure's been on. Obviously I wouldn't be sacking him, but definitely need him to be able to drift, you know, test the cars that we have. I know, dream job. Anyway, he's heading up. We've got Travis Lester going up as well, so there's going to be a few of us. A couple other boys are going to use, I think, Nick's car, so a few of us, and I'm taking up the fair lane. Don't know how it's going to work because I've got my little boy with me, so someone's going to have to kind of watch him, so see how we go. I'm planning to throw on and do some filming on and off track. Like I said, see how we go. So I hope you guys enjoy this, but it'll be, yeah, essentially what we want to see is we want to see people that are learning, giving it a crack. So I guess encourage them if you're there at the track next time and you see them and you recognize them, just encourage them as well. But yeah, like that's what it's all about. It's encouraging people to learn how to drive, learn how to drift in particular, and create that community, you know, bring it back. Yeah, so hope you guys enjoy. Don't know how well this lighting is because it's getting quite dusk now, so yes, enough of me. Enjoy what we capture. So guys, wrap up from this thing. It was actually a really good day. Fairlane actually did really well. Cam did not too bad, or not rather. Nick drove pretty well in the FG in his street car, so obviously he was super cautious of one, ore pump being an FG, and two, being an FG in the rear end, don't want to damage it. So expensive car, didn't want to damage it, but he did well. A couple of the other boys, first time out there, did really well as well. So sick night is actually kind of good. Not too busy, which is good. Definitely different to like 10, 20, or not 20, I think 20 years ago, probably 12 years ago when I was there. Like so busy in terms, because of the layout, because the layout's quite freeing, heaps of track time, so it was good. So if you're ever thinking about, I really want to learn a drift, Archerfield Drift Park is literally like, people are moving up all around Australia to here to drift because of the amount of drifting you can do. So hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope the footage I got was good. It's a little bit hard to tell sometimes where you get it and what are good positions, and let us know what kind of positions on the cars you'd like to see. Obviously, hopefully in the next coming months we get a couple extra cameras to get some extra footage, extra views of the footage. So let us know. Peace out guys, catch us in the next one. Current sessions coming back at the start of the month, looking forward to that, and yeah, catch us.